verse 8. Then went in also the other disciple, which came first to the sepulchre, and he saw and believed. So this was like a confirmation, the way the handkerchief was wrapped and placed to the side. Because if the body was just stolen or taken away, they wouldn't folding the napkin or anything like that. That just doesn't, why would they do that? They still in the body. So this indicated that Jesus had actually rose from the dead. And it says the other disciple that went in, he believed. Verse 9, for as yet they do not the scripture that he must rise again from the dead. Even though Jesus kept telling them, look, I'm going to be handed over to the Gentiles and be crucified and rise again the third day. They never really grasped that. So verse 9 says, for as yet they knew not the scripture that he must rise again from the dead.